But for the moment, let's welcome Kunal Bothra of LKP, who joins in for a technical check on the market. Hi, Kunal. Good afternoon. 83.60 on the Nifty, now a day ahead of expiry. How are you looking to trade the index?
Well, I think, Sumaira, my sense, I think that, I mentioned yesterday also on your channel that, my sense, I think that 320-point correction which you've seen over the last 3 or 4 days, is probably 2/3 of the correction which I had anticipated. My sense, I think 8200 or 8180 levels on Nifty should be, should probably hold on to this point of time. I sense that probably in the last, couple of weeks, start of July, I think the market trend has, structurally changed. The fact that many of the mid caps, the large caps are, making new highs, and probably this round of correction could be just one leg of correction, and probably this the next leg of 50 to 70 point correction on Nifty, if it happens over the next 2 or 3 days, I think should be taken as a a pure buying opportunity from a contrarian perspective, because the risk reward would become extremely attractive from a medium to long term positional trader.
Hi Kunal, coming to your recommendations, the first one is on SKS Microfinance.
Yes, Rima, I think this is a very interesting stock. Structurally, the stock has been trending, on an uptrend for I think the last 1.5 to 2 years now. And this is the so far in 2015, so far in July, the stock is up around 20-22%, and it's been the best month so far. My sense, I think the fact that the stock is trending, quite strongly on the upside, I believe that this trend can get much more aggressive. And looking at the beta nature of the stock, I believe that the next couple of months could be quite uptrending for SKS Micro. I believe a target of 650 is extremely possible in a matter of 1 or 2 months, keeping a stop loss of 500 on it.
Kunal, Rico Auto has risen in excess of 300% in the last 1 year. Okay, so the stock now is at levels closer to 47. You have a target of 80 on this stock?
Yes, Sumaira, I think this is one of the few very rare stocks which we actually track. But I think looking at the chart patterns and purely giving merit to chart patterns, I think if anyone is looking at Rico Auto on a weekly time frame, or probably the line chart or the candlestick chart, it's forming a very rare diamond formation. You probably try and join the coordinates from October, November 2014, and join it with the highs and lows of 35 was the previous low in March 2015, and around 56, 57 was the high in April 2015. So I think if you try and combine the coordinates, you see a very typical diamond formation, a very rare formation when you see in charts like Rico Auto. And when it breaks out, so I think the breakout level is around 52 for Rico Auto. So I think if it breaks out above 50, 52 over the next couple of weeks, I expect a very strong and a massive breakout happening. The volumes are one of the most critical aspects, and I think this time around the volumes for Rico Auto over the last 6 months of consolidation has been exceedingly high. So I think I'm giving merit to the pure chart patterns, and I believe a target of 80 is extremely possible. Just needs to give a confirmation of a breakout above 50 on a weekly chart basis.
Well, if this does happen, Kunal is soon going to be also called as a multi-bagger with the kind of target prices that he's recommended for Rico. But Kunal, any disclosures?
No personal holding the stocks mentioned, Rima. It is possible that I may have recommended the stocks, same stocks to our clients at LKP as well.
Thanks again for joining in.